Mutinous.
Mutinous mean recalcitrant, insurgent, unruly, revolutionary.
Opposite meanings are submissive, faithful, compliant, loyal.
Murky.
Murky mean dusky, dreary, dismal, bleak.
Opposite meanings are bright, shining, luminous, radiant.
Munificent.
Munificent mean liberal, hospitable, benevolent, kind.
Opposite meanings are frugal, penurious, moderate, economical.
Multitude.
Multitude mean crowd, throng, mass, swarm.
Opposite meanings are minority, handful, paucity, scarcity.
Morose.
Morose mean surly, sulky, sullen, depressed.
Opposite meanings are sprightly, animated, buoyant, blithe.
Monotonous.
Monotonous mean irksome, tedious, humdrum, insipid.
Opposite meanings are varied, pleasant, appealing, captivating.
Momentous.
Momentous mean notable, eventful, consequential, stirring.
Opposite meanings are trivial, insignificant, commonplace, immaterial.
Mollify.
Mollify mean appease, assuage, relieve, mitigate.
Opposite meanings are irritate, infuriate, aggravate, exasperate.
Molest.
Molest mean pester, harass, vex, misbehave.
Opposite meanings are console, soothe, comfort, cheer.
Modest.
Modest mean reserved, unpretentious, humble, courteous.
Opposite meanings are audacious, arrogant, pompous, vain.
Moderate.
Moderate mean limited, reasonable, lenient, temperate.
Opposite meanings are excessive, extravagant, violent, vehement.
Mitigate.
Mitigate mean alleviate, relieve, lessen, assuage.
Opposite meanings are augment, enhance, intensify, aggravate.
Miraculous.
Miraculous mean marvelous, extraordinary, astounding, amazing.
Opposite meanings are ordinary, trivial, familiar, natural.
Minute.
Minute mean. Diminutive, miniature, small, microscopic.
Opposite meanings are large, colossal, stupendous, immense.
Mettle.
Mettle mean. Courage, determination, stamina, spirit.
Opposite meanings are timidity, fear, cowardice, diffident.
Meritorious.
Meritorious mean. Commendable, admirable, deserving, praiseworthy.
Opposite meanings are unworthy, infamous, disreputable, culpable.
Mercurial.
Mercurial mean. Variable, changeable, unstable, erratic.
Opposite meanings are stable, constant, steady, steadfast.
Mendacity.
Mendacity mean. Falsehood, deception, perjury, perfidious.
Opposite meanings are probity, honesty, veracity, candor.
Melodious.
Melodious mean. Dulcet, musical, harmonious, sweet.
Opposite meanings are grating, dissonant, discordant, rancor.
Numerous.
Numerous mean. Profuse, various, multitude, plenteous.
Opposite meanings are scarce, deficient, paucity, sparse.